Hi, welcome to Vigilant Driving School. Today our topic is cockpit check or cockpit drill. This is the first thing everyone should learn who wants to start learning driving. It's a very basic but very essential thing. Cockpit is a place which normally people are aware of where the pilot sits in his plane. Before he moves off the plane, he has to go through with a lot of checks and controls, make sure everything is in order and in place. Similarly, where we sit in the car is our cockpit. We also need to make few checks, make sure things are according to our sitting position, our height, and make sure we can arrange all these things before we turn on the ignition or we start and drive off. So we have some sort of abbreviations which helps to remember. So there is a routine we follow called DSSSM. So D stands for door, S for seat position, steering position, seat belt, and M for mirrors. So if we can follow the sequence, it makes it easy to complete the process. So D stands for doors. So make sure whenever you get in the car, make sure all your doors are properly secured and closed. Along with the door, you can check your parking brake is up and your gear is in neutral. And then you should move towards the seat position. So seat position has three parts. The bottom part where we sit, the back part with our back and headrest, which protects our head from whiplash injury during an accident or crash. So we need to make sure all these three things are set according to our height and position. We should be easily able to reach to the clutch, sit a little bit upright position, and head nice and comfortable position. You can make the adjustment. Some of the cars, they don't have adjustable headrest. They are designed in a manner that you don't need to. How you adjust your headrest is also one of the tell me questions. So the answer to that is the rigid part of your headrest or the middle thick part should be in line with your eye line and just above your ear and close to your head in comfortable position. After you done your seat position, you check your steering position, that you holding the steering, you have a little bend in your arm, it's not too close to your body, it's comfortable. If needed, you make this steering adjustment. Most of the car, they allow you to adjust the steering. Once you have done the steering, then you go to your seat belt and put your seat belt nice and comfortable. Once you have done your seat belt, your seat position, your steering position, your doors, now it's time to do your mirror check. So make sure you adjust your mirrors according to your height and your sitting position, straight head, and make sure only moving your eyes towards the mirror and you should be able to see it. If you're doing like this or this, it means your mirror is not set. So make sure you're sitting straight and adjusting your mirror. After you've done your center mirror, check your side mirrors. Side mirrors has to be set in a position which I can just show you. So if you can see the side mirror, we can see more of the road and less of the car, and we are able to see both door handles, and the front door handle is on the right bottom corner. So this is how you should adjust your side mirror. And same on the other side. So more of the road, less of your car, both your door handle and the front door handle towards the left bottom corner. So once you have set your mirrors, make sure you also check the fuel in the car you're going to drive in, it has sufficient fuel for you. This is called cockpit check, cockpit drill. You must make this check before you drive off any car. If you're not doing that, then you might be doing it while you're driving, you're leaving the steering, you may be trying to move the seat while you're driving. So it's gonna cause some trouble. So make sure you have done this prior to your turning on the engine. Stay tuned for more topics. We're gonna follow in a sequence. First topic first, and then we will be following rest of the steps. So if anyone's starting learning now, if they follow this series, they don't need to be worried. They can learn things from the beginning, step by step. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned. See you later.